I'm packing up, I'm done with all this shit. If you say you give a fuck, take the time back off my wrist. Let us go for an adventure. Swear I'm your be there for this woman. I don't be a bitch. Gotta grind, work hard for this. If you save my life, and it all comes down to this, I'll be going crazy thinking about you. You might save my life. I can't wait. Get away from here. Can't wait. Gonna wish my life away. I can't. Counting down the days. Counting down the days. Can't wait. Get away from here. I'm counting down the days. Can we get away from here? Can we get away from here? I'm counting down the days. Can we get away from here? Can we get away from here? Oh, no, 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 no. I can't wait. I'm getting out of here. I might just break. I think I lost my mind. I can't wait. I'm getting out of here. I might just break. I think I lost my mind. Na, 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 na. 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 Waking up to the life I miss. Now I know I can't resist.
We could leave the Christmas lights up till January. And this is our place, we make the rules. And there's a dazzling haze, a mysterious way about you, dear. Have I known you 20 seconds or 20 years? Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? And take me out and take me home. You're my lover. We could let our friends crash in the living room. is our place, we make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want them all. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close? Forever and ever, and take me out and take me home. Forever and ever, you're my lover. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? With every guitar string scar on my hand, I take this magnetic force of a man to be mine.